Welcome to DJMTV.
My people, I greet you and I welcome now once again to DJMTV. Make una do it to the follow us, like, share, subscribe. As now here we bring all the obonge news they come your way. This one not be them say this one are see for yourself, make it hear for yourself. On today's news, Oshiomhole don't come outside though to tell the people of Edo State make them not repeat the same mistake where they repeat last 8 years. Though say if I come and tell them say they not vote for Obaseki, but they still go ahead to vote. Say they don't see am for themselves. Say make they not go use grammar to vote to. Say at the end of the day, not be grammar they want chop. He don't talk. Say make them vote for APC candidate as a man ready to work. My people, I want to play on the video. Make una hear Oshiomhole talk this matter. Make una watch this video and make una hear reasons why APC need to win the Edo State governorship election according to Ram.
One, he failed. He won't go class 2. I said don't support. But people preach say Oshiomhole this, Oshiomhole that, they go they employ the man who. Una don't take una koro I see what they happen now. In the next 2 months, you have a chance to hire another person. And they are basically two. The one where Maleki won't bring says a big programmer. He, where programmer, the grammar do this road? The grammar do this road? Who don't live with you, you know your problem. That is why this time around, anybody say don't bring Papa deceive Pikin, Pikin deceive Papa. What do not go say? No! Deceit no more. For 8 years you have suffered. I apologize for the first time, but the second time I warn you, this man, Pikin will not do well for primary school. They know they carry and go secondary. But people come begin to emotion, they tell lie and so on. Now they take and go secondary school. He never fail now. So you won't bring somebody now. Wait. Look at the way small. Who get leprosy for hand? If you take the hand, hold you don't go contaminate the leprosy. So if you are happy with this road, vote for PDP again. Because that me, the thing will do for me 2 times. I won Edo State. So this time we are bringing somebody. Not be saying to talk. Now to do. And that is not Upero. So I didn't come here to campaign. The reason why I stopped. When look the face of people, they say no go. I can see it. Even this motor now, if I drive water, he go mechanic. He must go mechanic. Not to talk about small motor. So by the grace of God, this man will come and represent Edo State. Mother must go. Because when I don't say, when I be governor, that place what they call our teacher house, they say na mami water. What happened? When I drive away mami water, this governor, Monday Upawolo, he come from a small village like me. Because villagers, their own pain is different from city people. Who don't live for village, don't go know what life be. So not be Lagos consult away wear double pressure suit. Children understand. So my sisters, maybe I just wait small. Koni PDP die. Koni Edo people. You know say before I came, you know say that PDP be there Edo before. Did they do anything before I came? When I came, I walked. Then we said the man, you know they do well. Now we are sacking. Now you don't go PDP. PDP jam umbrella. Now the umbrella don't tear. Rain not dey fall. Even those who carry umbrella, they are jumping out. So please, bear the pain only for this season. By November, you have a new governor.
If una don watch am finish, una don hear wetin he talk, wetin una take for the matter. Drop your comment for comment section, like and share this video. Until we come your way again, make una always do well to stay safe. Una do.
DJ